Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You powered the Fit to ACC, now start inside the system. Press Phone or Menu on the dash, this opens the phone interface. Once visible, navigate to Bluetooth or phone settings. You're not pairing, you're managing devices. Make sure the car display is steady and your phone's Bluetooth is on so the system can show paired entries. From here, move to the Paired Devices list. That list is the only place you can remove a device on most Fit infotainment systems, so access it now. You're at the Paired Devices list. Find the exact device name from your phone. Highlight or tap that entry, then choose Delete, Remove, or Unpair. When prompted, confirm the deletion. This step severs the Bluetooth bond so the Fit forgets that device. If your Fit uses a dial or joystick, press the selector to enter submenus. If touchscreen, tap carefully. Once confirmed, wait for the system to update the list. It should no longer show the device, and your phone will drop the car from its remembered pairings. You removed the entry. Now verify on both the Fit display and your phone that the device is gone. If the phone still shows the car, forget the car entry on the phone too. Once done, restart the car audio system or power cycle your phone to clear caches. If a single device won't delete, look for Delete All Paired Devices and use that as a last resort. This clears all pairings. If problems persist, a Bluetooth module reset or dealer service may be required to fully clear stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.